Hello guys, today we are making the Chana Bhatura. I'm going to show the ingredient what I need for the chana, and later I show you how to make a dough of the bhatura. First of all, we have to boil the chana in the pressure cooker. I'm going to add 2 cups of water in the chickpeas. Now I'm going to add chana masala. I'm going to put the heat on the high and I have to give 6 whistles. In the meantime, I'm going to make a masala for the chickpeas and I'm putting on the heat high. I'm going to put 2 spoons of oil. Let it heat up. Now oil is heat up, so I'm going to add the khada masalas. I'm going to add the garlic. I'm going to add the ginger. Just stir for the 1 minute to get it brown, less than 1 minute. So it was brown. I'm going to add the onion. Make sure you stir after 1 or 2 minutes that it's not stuck on the pan. I'm going to add a little bit water, like 1 spoon of water. It has been already 9 minutes, so I'm going to cover for 1 minute only. I peel out the skin of the tomato and then I'm going to grind this tomato and cut it in 2 pieces to put in a grinder. According to your taste, you can put 1 chili in the tomato. You have to make a paste like that. I'm going to check my onion. My onion is brown. Yeah, now it's brown. I'm going to add the salt now. Red chili, turmeric powder, garam masala, cumin powder and coriander powder. And stir it well. I mix up all the masala. Now I'm going to add the tomato puree. I'm going to add 1 spoon of water. Then cover this one. It has been 6 whistles, so I'm going to close the gas. And now just leave it for cool it down. Just leave it like that until the steam is released. My masala is ready. It's look like that. It's look like that. My masala is ready. So we have to dry a little bit. It's little bit water, so I'm going to dry a little bit for 1 minute. I'm going to close the gas now. I'm waiting for the chickpeas get cooled down, then I show you. The steam has released. I'm going to open my cooker. See, it was done. You can check like that. Yeah. So I'm going to take at least 2-3 spoons of chana in separate bowl. I'm going to mash this one. Now I'm going to put on a stove again and put the heat high. I'm going to mix this mashed chana. Now I'm going to add the masala. Stir this one well and this keep on the high heat for at least 10 minutes. So it's mix up the masala in the chana. I'm going to keep this one for 10 minutes with the masala. Then masala can be mixed up in the chickpeas properly. Now my gravy is getting thicker. I'm going to add my homemade chickpea masala. I'm going to add the mango powder and stir it well. You can see the gravy is thick now, and now it is time to close the gas and it is time to transfer in the dish. Now you can decorate with some cilantro. You can put some onion and you can put slices of ginger and you can put the tomato